Good afternoon guys, welcome to Oaks Group. Got a nice car for you. It's just come in part exchange, March 2012, 12 registered, white clearly, Ford Fiesta 1.6 Zetec S 3-door. Came in part exchange against an ST3 we sold last weekend. Really nice guy, local, done 65,000 miles, been serviced on 4 separate occasions. We're going to service it before it leaves us. And it's a great price range, guys. This is sub £5,000, this motor car. It's 8 years old, so expect the odd stone chip here and there, but it's nothing more sinister than that. Really nice, cherished Zetec S here. Purpose of the video is to go around the car. Apologies for any wind noise in the back of this video. Breezy day today at Oakwoods, but the purpose of the video is to go around the car in detail, tell you a little more about it and Oakwoods as we go. So let's start doing that right now. Coming onto the front bumper apron. Front PU is, I mean, the car's remarkably clean, guys, yeah? Front PU is all clean and tidy. It's on this age-related number. We've got a registration document for it. Up onto the leading edge here. The stone chip, guys, touch-up pencil away from being put right, but for an 8-year-old 65,000 mile Fiesta, I think the car's above average in terms of its condition. Leading edge of bonnet, all clean and tidy. Headlamp bezels, not cracked or misted. Rest of the bonnet's all as it should be. Heated front windscreen, guys. Some minor chipping there, but it's minor stuff, guys. No serious bar to walk away from the car for it. Up onto the roof, that's clean and tidy. And I have to say, presents itself very brightly for an 8-year-old Fiesta Zetec S this. Up onto the front wing on the passenger side. That's all clean and tidy. Little car parking dent there, guys. We're not going to get involved in it, given the price range. All the alloys are genuine Ford Zetec S alloys. They've got some slight marking on the outer edge, but nothing more sinister than that. And the car's shod with a good set of Pirelli tyres at the front, both at 4 or 5 mil. And I think we've got Continentals at the rear. Read the reviews on these guys. You know, they're not, you know, they're one of the best-selling hot hatches of its era, I guess. Obviously petrol, so it's ULEZ friendly. So if you live in the suburbs, you can drive this around and not have that dreaded ULEZ charge. And the car, like I said, presents itself very well. Up onto the front wing here now on the driver's side. Driver headlamp clean and tidy. That wing is all as it should be. That alloy, some outer marking on the outer edge, but nothing more sinister than that. And that Pirelli tyre is at 4 or 5 mil. Mirror houses are clean and tidy on both sides. Coming onto the driver's door, that's all where it needs to be. Sill plate, rear quarter, factory privacy, guys. That alloy is in good shape. And that's a Conti Sport tyre at about 4 mil. Inside the car's nice. I'll start it up shortly for you guys. Like I say, the guy was a non-smoker, very particular young man. Bought an ST3 from a Fiesta, so obviously likes his Fiestas. But the car's lovely, guys. Doesn't look at 65,000 miles, okay? All clean and tidy in the back. A little bit about Oakwoods. We've been trading since 2001, so we're 20 years old now, guys. We're based in a little village called East Farley, just outside Maidstone in Kent. Everybody that works with me has vast motor trade experience. We've got a small workshops and MOT facility on site that we use to prep our used cars, and read our reviews online, guys. We need 300 5-star reviews. It takes a long time to compile those reviews and a lot of you know, a lot of consistency around high levels of service to get 300 5-star reviews. But so have a look at those. We don't make them up. They are a fair reflection of our business, and we are well trusted used car dealers. So hope to see you soon. We're back to this lovely Zetec S. We're into the back of the car now. Rear bumper apron, couple of little marks, guys. Again, touch up pencil away. We're not going to get involved, but it's there nevertheless. But I think you can forgive it on 8 years old, I guess. Up onto the rear tailgate, rear spoiler there. Pretty cars, these Zetec S's. Up onto the roof. As I say, that's all clean and tidy. Rear roof spoiler, onto that rear quarter, factory privacy, that's all clean and tidy. Front passenger door, all as it should be. So other than a couple of little marks that need touching in, guys, the car's in good order. That alloy's got a couple of little marks on the outer edge, nothing major. And that Conti Sport tyre at 4 mil. We've got 2 keys for the cars, guys. But you can just see in really nice condition, yeah? Not one on the seat bolsters. We've got 2 keys there. 5-speed manual car. Car's just arrived. There's a consumer finance agreement to come off, guys. But that's what the car is. That's when it was first registered. Obviously been popular, as they all have. That outstanding consumer finance has been settled, so we're just waiting for a letter from them. But there's no outstanding accident history there. Car's MOT'd round till January 2022. We've got a service book here, which shows a PDI, 3 services, plus this service here, which is a major service with spark plugs, and we're going to do an oil service before it leaves us. So 5 services in total, I think. Okay, I've driven the car. Car drives lovely. start it up for you. But you can just see in really, really nice condition. Got USB takeoff there, air conditioning, heated screen. Let's turn that down. All the radio works, guys. Yeah, there's your mileage, 65,000 today. So there we go. Look, guys, I get there's a few Zetec S's for sale. This just falls under £5,000, and whilst I respect price is important, what you buy, and this is a particularly nice car, and where you buy it from. We're a well-regarded, long-established independent dealer. I think is an important fair price. So if you're looking at Zetec S this weekend, sub £5,000, I think you'd have to work hard to better this example at that price point. Thanks for watching.